Borithi miaraho ya umuthi ni mahuthirire riera ria kuruta maithori kuharagania rumiriri mubunge wa Starehe aria meguthunguyanite wabici-ini cia ruhonge rwa borithi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi thutha wa mubunge ucio gwikio ngono. Charles Jagua aikirio ngono agikuruhanio na gucogera muingi wa Starehe iguru rigie thoko ya Mwariro iria irakirwo gicigo-ini kiu ni thirikari nene iguru rigie ni amagiriirwo ni kuheo kanya mbere. Maya magithiaga na mbere murugamiriri wa mihango ya thirikari guku Nairobi Wilson Jega ni ahete ateti mukana matige mutugo wa kuingiria uteti tabarira-ini cia thirikari nene guku akiorota mubunge uyu ta umwe waria mari na mutugo uyu.
We had a confrontation between some members of the public and the police at Mwariro Market, which is located in Starehe constituency, whereby the area member of parliament and led some rowdy people purporting to take over the market.
Jega augete thoko ino iria irakirwo ni thirikari nene iri na mutaratara uria kuheanwo naguo na ujuria aria mariho mbere ya wakitwo wiru nio mekuheo kanya ka mbere amu nio mahamurithiruo na mari 41.
We already developed a criteria where the local people will have the larger share. Those people who come from that ward, that's one. Those who come from Starehe constituency, and those who come from other parts of Nairobi, in the sense that about 70% will be people from the constituency, the locality, and 30% from other parts of Nairobi.
Thutha ucio andu angi ni makaheo kanya ga gwikia kura kano ukuona kanya ga kuingira thoko-ini ino amu iganagira andu 359 tu.
And because the spaces are not many, the best practice is from balloting for these spaces, because other criteria will raise the issue.
Kurigana na ripoti iria itarejekire mukode mubunge uyu ekurara thiini uthuthurio githiaga na mbere wigie ndeto ya ucogeri wake kuri andu iguru rigie thoko ino. Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Muringi wa Gure.